When our dog is nearing the end of life, it can feel like the world slows down. We see the little signs: less appetite, less energy, more sleep. It breaks our hearts because we know what is coming. Yet, there's beauty in allowing our beloved friend to pass peacefully at home, surrounded by love. In this video, we will talk about how you can make this time calm and gentle for your dog and for yourself. We will look at what to expect, how to create a comforting space, and how your presence can bring peace. You don't need to do everything perfectly. It's enough to show up with love. Take a deep breath. Let's walk through this together. Chapter 1: Understanding the dying process. When a dog is close to the end, the body begins to slow down in natural ways. You might notice your dog eating less or refusing food completely. Maybe they no longer want to walk or play. Their breathing can change, slowing down or becoming shallow. Sometimes they sleep more or withdraw quietly to a favorite spot. All of this is a part of the body preparing to let go. It doesn't mean your dog is suffering badly. It usually means they are getting ready for peace. It can help to keep a notebook where you write small observations. Has breathing changed? Do they seem restless or calm? This helps you understand what they need. One of the kindest things you can do is to accept what you see, without trying to fight it. We often want to fix things, but at this stage, comfort matters more than cure. Your love becomes the medicine. If you find it hard to watch, remind yourself, your presence brings safety. Your dog can feel your calm energy. Just being near you means they are not alone. Chapter 2: Creating a peaceful environment at home. When a dog is dying at home, the space around them matters deeply. You can make it gentle and comforting without big effort. Start with something simple, a favorite blanket or soft bedding in a quiet corner. Keep lights low and avoid loud sounds or too much activity. You might want to play soft music or nature sounds, something peaceful. Let your dog lie where they feel most at ease, even if that means on the floor beside you. It doesn't have to look perfect. What matters is the feeling calm, warm, and safe. You can gently stroke them if they enjoy touch. If they prefer space, simply stay near. Your quiet presence is enough. Many dogs like to smell familiar things: your scent, another pet's blanket, even something you wore all day. These details tell them, I'm home, I'm safe. Keep water close by, but don't force food or drink. You can offer small sips, but if they refuse, that's okay. The body knows what it needs in these moments. It can help to speak softly, using your dog's name, or simple phrases like, "It's okay, my love. You can rest now." Dogs may not understand every word, but they feel the emotion behind it. Chapter 3: Emotional Presence. The gift of being there. This part is often the hardest, and also the most meaningful. Your dog doesn't need you to be strong all the time. They only need you to be real. If you feel like crying, that's okay. Tears are part of love. You can hold their paw and let your emotions come naturally. Sometimes words are not needed at all. You both speak a language beyond words, the language of the heart. You have shared years of love, routine, and trust. Now, in these final hours, your presence continues to be their comfort. Try to slow your breathing. When you breathe calmly, your dog may relax as well. You can think of your breath as a soft rhythm that tells them, it is safe. You can let go when you are ready. Some people find it peaceful to sit in silence, hand resting gently on their dog's side, feeling each slow breath. Others softly whisper memories. Do you remember the park we loved? Or, you are my good boy, always. Speak from your heart and let love guide you. Remember, being there is enough. You don't need to do more than that. Chapter 4: When veterinary support is needed. Even when you plan for a home passing, sometimes help from a vet becomes necessary. You might notice signs of pain that don't ease with comfort. For example, constant restlessness, heavy panting, or crying. If you feel unsure, it's never wrong to call your vet for advice. Some vets offer home visits for peaceful euthanasia. This can be a gentle choice when your dog shows signs of distress or you want them to pass without suffering. Try not to feel guilty if you choose this path. It doesn't mean you failed them. It means you love them enough to help them find peace when the body can't. The goal is always the same: comfort, warmth, and love, no matter how the journey ends. If your vet visits your home, you can still create a peaceful space. Dim the lights, sit close, whisper to your dog. Remind them gently they are loved and free to rest. Chapter 5: After your dog has passed. When that final breath comes, everything becomes very still. You might not believe it at first. Take your time. There's no need to rush anything. You can stay with your dog for a while, minutes, even hours if you wish. Touch them, talk to them, cry if you need to. This is your moment to say goodbye in your own way. If you have family or another pet at home, let them come close and understand what has happened. Animals often sense when a friend's body has become still. Let them sniff or sit quietly nearby. When you are ready, you can gently wrap your dog in a blanket or lay them on their favorite bed. Some people place a candle nearby or a flower beside them. Small rituals help make the moment sacred and real. If you have arranged for cremation or burial, call the service when you feel ready. You don't have to do it right away. Take your time to breathe, to grieve, to thank them for their love. Creating a small memorial can be healing. A framed photo, a paw print, or a small note expressing what they meant to you. You might place it somewhere special, maybe where the sunlight falls gently. Remember, grief is love that has nowhere to go. It needs time, care, and space. Take care of yourself in the same way you cared for your dog, with gentleness and patience. Chapter 6: Closing Message. As your dog's journey ends, your love continues. That bond doesn't disappear because the body is gone. It remains in small moments, a memory, a dream, a feeling that they are still near. You gave your dog something truly precious, peace and dignity, by being there, by suffering love, by staying until the very end. You gave them the comfort they deserved. It's normal to feel lost after a passing at home. Life feels quiet and strange, but gradually, love will shift from pain to gratitude. You will begin to smile again when thinking of them. When that happens, it doesn't mean you're forgetting. It means healing has begun. Your dog will always be part of you, just in a different way now. Thank you for letting me walk with you through this tender topic. If this video has helped you or brought you comfort, please consider subscribing so you can find more guidance and comfort stories here. You are not alone in your grief. This space is for hearts that love deeply. Take a gentle breath, hold your memories close, and know that love never ends.